Have you ever tried rice with a tropical twist? This pineapple rice is about to become your new obsession. It's spicy, sweet, flavorful, and is packed with lots of nutrients and flavors that will leave you longing for more. So without waste of time, let me show you how to make it. So to make the pineapple rice, I'll be transferring some parboiled rice into the pot. This rice is actually 50% cooked, so it's not fully cooked. I'll be adding a little curry powder to it and freshly made pineapple juice. This will give the rice a unique tropical taste from start. So allow the rice to cook on low heat, just so the rice will be able to absorb the whole pineapple flavors. So this is 10 minutes later and our rice is ready. I'll go ahead and fluff out heat before setting it aside. You can choose to transfer your rice at this moment to the fridge, just so you can be able to cool faster. So in a pan, I'll be adding a little vegetable oil, then transfer some beaten eggs that was seasoned with only salt. This is actually my choice of protein for this recipe, but if you're making use of shrimp, turkey, chicken or liver, you can go ahead and fry it at this moment. So our eggs are set. I'll go ahead and scramble it up. This actually takes about 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. Alright, this is all done. I'll go ahead and set it aside. So in the same pan, I'll be transferring little vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. I'll be adding some minced garlic and onion for flavor, then saute till fragrant. So the onion is perfectly fried. Next I'll be adding the vegetables. I'm adding peas and carrots first because they are quite strong, just so it will soften up a little bit. So after about 3 minutes of sauteing the vegetables, I'll be adding the star of the dish, which is pineapple chunks, so it could caramelize and release its pineapple juice a little bit. So after about 2 minutes, I'll be transferring the cooked rice into the pan, then mix everything together to combine. You can also make use of a day-old rice or freshly cooked rice like me, but you need to make sure that your rice has cooled properly. So for extra color and nutrients, I'll be adding some bell peppers. I'm using a combination of red, yellow and green bell pepper. I'll also be adding scotch bonnet pepper for heat, little seasoning powder and salt to taste. Then toss everything together on medium to low heat. That's the more reason why I need to use a rice that has cooled properly. So lastly, I'll be adding the scrambled eggs to it, then give it one more final stir, and our pineapple rice is pretty much ready. If you're looking for a way to switch up on your regular rice recipe, this is a sign you've been waiting for. I actually love the fact that this rice has some pineapple chunks and the rice was deeply infused with pineapple flavors, so this recipe is a 10/10 for me. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. If you're watching up to this extent, I say thank you very much for actually watching, and just in case you are new to the channel, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it to your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Until then, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.